People know that beans and legumes are healthy. However, they associate eating beans with gas formation. Yes, it's true. However, if they're not prepared properly. In this short video, we'll share some traditional bean hacks and tricks to reduce the gases. Some tips while you're soaking your beans or legumes. Soak dry beans for at least 48 to 72 hours. Keep adding water as the beans will absorb it. You can also add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the soaking water to help break down the compound that makes gases. Alternately, you can add 1 tablespoon of dried ginger to the water. If you must use canned beans instead of dry beans, soaking is not necessary, but make sure to rinse thoroughly. Cooking tips. You can use a pressure cooker to cook your beans. This will help soften the skin faster. To accelerate the cooking time, add half a teaspoon of baking soda to help break it down. Preparation tips. You can mechanically break down legumes by mashing them by hand or using an immersion blender, similar to hummus. Traditionally, most cuisines add spices to their dishes to help with digestion and to reduce gases. Spices such as cumin seed, coriander seed, and fresh ginger or ginger powder. You can also add acid like lemon juice to help break down the proteins. General tips. In general, you should gradually add beans and legumes to your diet if you're not used to eating them in large amounts. Certain beans and legumes are easier to digest than others, such as lentils and pinto beans. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out other videos for fun facts about food.